Hello and welcome to our evening infotainment program Youth Folio, which comes to you every Thursday at 7:30 p.m. on DD Northeast. We have many interesting current happenings, festivals, songs and dance, sports, careers and lots more in our episode today. Let's get cracking.
Rath Yatra celebrated joyously in the Northeast. Centre holds review meeting with two factions of ANVC. Apprehending mischievous attempts by militants, Assam put on high alert. Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar ceremony held in Assam to encourage cleanliness. Manipur holds pineapple fair cum seller buyer meet. Manipur celebrated Rath Yatra, locally known as Kang Chingba, with pomp and gaiety, forgetting the many troubles the state has been facing. Large numbers of people, including Chief Minister O. Ibobi Singh, accompanied by his wife, prayed at the Sri Sri Govindaji temple before the main gigantic Rath rolled out. Conches were blown, cymbals and dhols were beaten, even as devotees performed Sankirtana at the temple. Thereafter, the idols of Lord Jagannath, Balbhadra and Lady Subhadra were brought out to the Rath and taken out on the Yatra, with people vying with each other to pull the ropes. Offerings of fruits, vegetables, flowers and incense were laid out on the streets. Similar devotion could be seen among people in various other localities of the state, chiefly in the Hindu Meitei-dominated valley area of the state, with smaller Raths or Kangs being taken out from several localities. People placed lanterns on the roads with offerings and prayed for peace, harmony and prosperity among other things.
Masi Kang silakta Manipur leiba praja khuding makta singda leiba sinau sing tamda leiba sinau sing ekhoi khuding mak ekhoi di secular country sigi ekhoi nagarik haktani na mana apamba dharma thajajaba dharma duda thamoi sengna ishorbu mapubu nungshijaba aduga ishorna mapuna ekhoi punamak chana chinana nungsinana leiminaba haibise masi ai Manipur gi praja punamakta appeal tawjari
sigi festival se khoi gi sahim da ka hayam nungai ba ka jagna chak harau budune ba jagna bara subara jana harau buina moi gi apem oina ba akhoina moi gi moi gi nam hari nam sankirtan tawga ba arei da khon dance tawba yai any loi tawba yai ba.
Rath Yatra is observed in many other states of the Northeast as well, wherein the devotees can vie with people of Odisha too, which is the focal point of the festival. In Tripura, the main Rath Yatra began from the Agartala Jagannath Badi. Rath Yatras were also brought out by the ISKCON temple, Melaghar and Lakshmi Narayan temple. In this state too, the fervour of the devotees was contagious, with men, women and children joining in and dancing along the Yatra route. The Ministry of Home Affairs and Government of Meghalaya held a meeting with Meghalaya's underground groups, the Achik National Volunteers Council or ANVC and ANVC-B in New Delhi on Thursday, the 7th of July, to review the tripartite Memorandum of Settlement Agreement signed between the government and the two groups on the 24th of September 2014. The meeting, which was described as very positive by both parties, looked into various issues ranging from development in the Garo areas to work of joint monitoring committees.
Today, we have reviewed the ANVC agreement which we had in 2014. Government of India, Government of Meghalaya and ANVC and ANVC-B participated in this review, and all the settlement fields, including the political the developmental, the organizational, which were agreed in 2014, were carried, this one reviewed, and we could make out that substantial progress has already been there on most of the points, and we apprised people okay, what is being done about the amendment of 6th schedule, and what government of Meghalaya was doing on the developmental front and all this thing. So that thing, everything was shared.
We had a 2-hour-long meeting where we have got a very positive response from the central government, and we are hopeful that things will proceed in a proper manner from as the outcome of this meeting.
The former underground group leaders, members and other participants of the meeting have realized the importance of peace in the development of their areas and country as a whole.
Agitations are necessary. Yes, move to make sure that your demands are met and necessary. But in an armed organization or in an armed struggle, many innocents die. So my message would be this: in Northeast, let's cease the struggles with armed resistance, but come to the table and have a negotiation.
The always busy city of Guwahati with its plush malls, crowded roads and marketplaces have been targeted by militants several times in the past. And so, when intelligence reports filtered in about 5 Bangladeshi militants besides other miscreants having sneaked into the city recently after the horrific violence in Bangladesh, the police, always on alert, became more so. CCTVs are already installed in several key locations, roundabouts, busy market areas, and especially in places of worship cutting across religious lines. To tighten the security further, Assam's new Chief Minister Shri Sarbananda Sonowal met Union Home Minister Shri Rajnath Singh in Delhi recently to discuss various security concerns in Assam, including the infiltration problem and quickening of pace of NRC upgradation among other things.
বিশেষকৈ এনআৰচি আৰু ভাৰত বাংলা সীমান্ত চিলৰ সন্দৰ্ভত বিতংভাৱে আলোচনা হ'ল আৰু আইচিছৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতো আমাৰ কেন্দ্ৰীয় ৰাজ্য চৰকাৰ যৌথ প্ৰচেষ্টাত আমি ৰাইজৰ জীৱন সম্পত্তি নিৰাপত্তা নিশ্চিত কৰাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি বাস্তৱ ব্যৱস্থা ইতিমধ্যে গ্ৰহণ কৰিছোঁ আৰু আগন্তুক দিনত দৃঢ়তাৰে অসমৰ ৰাইজৰ জীৱন সম্পত্তি নিৰাপত্তা দিয়াৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি আমাৰ ব্যৱস্থা গ্ৰহণ কৰি যাম।
Meanwhile, Assam's Muslim intellectuals, activists, and academicians from all communities, including the Assamese Muslims, condemned and rallied against the sudden spurt of violence in Bangladesh, the growing attacks on minorities in that country, and misuse of the name of Islam for creating terror. The peace procession was organized by the Muslim Nagrik Samaj, a citizens group comprising of Assamese Muslims, and joined in by many common people of the state as well. The rallyists marched from Dighuli Pukhuri Par on Guwahati to Leeladhar Kshetra, carrying placards and banners condemning the violence which go against the tenets of Islam.
वर्ल्ड में जो कुछ हो रहा है कि ऐसे खोज है जो इस्लाम के नाम लेके इस्लामिक स्टेट कायम करने के इरादा से जो अन इस्लामिक काम कर रहे हैं उसको कंडेम करने के लिए हम लोग यहाँ जमा हुए हैं। और आज जो हम लोग किया है इसीलिए हमने किया है कि आसाम में जो लोग बता रहे हैं कि यहाँ बहुत सारे लोग हो सकता है बांग्लादेश का जो इफेक्ट हो सकता है आएगा, तो आज हमें एक मैसेज देना है सब जगह में कि हर जगह में लोग अपने घर से निकले, कंडेम करें और अपने यूनाइट हो, और कहीं ऐसे फोर्स कहीं भी मिले इमीडिएटली पुलिस को खबर दे।